eliwe nyolere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chireche biasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Najua mimi natagomana nyumbani.
Sawa, subiri.
Niache tena.
Wewe ndio umesababisha yote haya. Hebu subiri.
Unataka kufanya ukimbilia kwa kitu gani?
Wewe
na utaratibu kule.
Wangu na wewe mbona unaita? Tulia basi wangu.
Wewe umekimbia mpumbavu mkubwa. Wewe kama mwanamke unajamini kwa nini umekimbia? Na wewe wakunifanya hivyo mimi kweli? Kabisa?
Nisamee kwa hiyo. Subiri kwanza. Nikuelezee ukweli.
Unieleza nini? Nakuuliza unieleza nini? Unieleza nini? Sitokijua mimi tena nikoma. Unieleza
nini? Life got better.
Chinsa Isano na Ibere cheri tukore 15 mutinyo kane happy Nyaboga praised Good Friday ritukori enchera yo musaraba nchenga trene Nyaboga wisoni makori kroaso muno boy manyererio kabana into ikomare tukumanyegati yari aberega kweneke wakorwa imena isko yagusi natogo chakanego abakristo be kanisa ya Katoliki ensenge mari tukore arero bago chengera ritukore musaraba goseri manyekaine buna Good Friday buna enchera yamo yo koinyoria ugochandika kwa Yesu Kristo anena mono chinga kichiria acha ndegete ase buku una ache toko bambo enseme ya gorigota bunerikire ase ebuku titukura rero nigo abakristo abo boimokia umusaraba na gutara ase chipara ona ase baba gotugama ose bagotugama ase bituo 14 goika chinga kichira bagochigoika ekanisa Chinsa angekianda chomugaso orero ase barabe bagotera amatero amachenu yerituko eriga rya ijuma enjeno nerituko rya chagete bene ose nerituko rya merongo ene kurwa rituko rya Ash Wednesday erio chinga ki goseri tukoreribu abo asaba Kristo abo abakatoliki bachagete chinga kicho kwengata bunencheremo yo kwenyoria chinchera chiria usama tukaria Yesu abete kago chandika ase eroro. Komi Chinsa Ibere na boigo Chinsa nyacho botko bwarero mwancho muri Getembe TV ntocho koretera roboti oru igoro yeri tukeri gari chenuri mu minchira yo musaraba gose Good Friday asenchera yo boikrano igobono gendera ko bwatia Ekeonga natoko skabosyo nigo aboncherera bechiro ya magena bakanire chinguma buna chireyo tebwati mache marabo bagotumeka gose amacha amacheno ayo bagotumeka korengana na barabu ose ukwana na Getembe nigo aboncherera buo beso kinakoteba nigo mwakesho abasubati ase county ya Kisii Moskedori Nyaburi ababekerete amache amarabu abagotumeka ase chireyo na ondubwensi ori ogotebe na tubabwati mache mbari ababwate siasa na nigo batakere wesokia ase arabu bakwanire abananchi na buna ningi gekogera bagochaka siasa kitabwati enchera.
Asama lieta Edina Musiara nonde buno mwana komiti bwechiro gaiga ya magena amang'ana yaiga sokire ng'amache tayo magena amache kale magena ntonya maiti nararia. We want to know abambara byaba bagoteya ng'amata kole tayo magena e procedure nero ororo no negente karo monta atagete siasa yae atakeire aramanya abateneneri mbara echiro aba masikani abo banyale bako shughulika amang'ana ndamana kobwati muna abarayi bachira barorira amache nakoleta amache no ali omochanda no lia kare mbule gotu amache goikabalire amache na mabaliri ali no ne chisoko boniga amache na mabaliri ali lakini amache nakoleta na arororo
asa malita ngoro kudamaris ndo mumenyo magenda amache ntubote continuous na matunda tukuzi mache nyomba amache na yechiro tukutumeka tukwati mochando mache amache aro continuous no cha kongoliri tunda lya nankon amache ali sinki na ro kusubiri tundo uli ogenda tali yankurusi mwanne ndo
siasa ye nkabantu babwate ng'amache tayo magena kamuranje siasa ya siringi 2 mutigane amache garororo na amache garete twakonyekera omuntu nayo kabwate siasa ende omurengo ukabwate aso omuntu ogo omwesimi wadonya na lete tamache siasa nyinge tigana omuchumagena no murabu na amache na roro na nda amache na marabu
boni igi otutete komanya basubati abo bagusareri magena market echiro ntoba chekeriege tamokere bwango mono banyale onya no kung'anya bang'anya bagenda sibagochikokora ebiasara byabo ebing'ao iga
soko genda ase kaunti ya Nyamira nigo mwana siasa oyo mukoro ase kaunti yo serieta wotachanwa ase kaunti yo aikiranire eira yo kubasira abasai abo bagenderete na maigerio yege dini anene mono ekanisa ya Adventista ase skuru ya bamura ya Nyambaire na boigo eri abanyaroka ya Sironga chanwa nigo abwatukire amagena ye chingoko chicreate chiminye burenjera yamo yo kugenda kubasira abasai abo anene mono chinga kichiga bari ase rusa banyare konyora chindagira chokoria amaigeria yo nigo abwate chira use ekerenge kene kya amaigeria yo no ko abasai chimbwa chingia na boigo kubakinya kemoeka chinga kichiga cherusa na kubatanga korwa ase bintu bira abasareria amagimabo
Comrades power. Comrades power. Chanua viva chanua. Viva chanua viva. Viva chanua viva. Power chanua power. Asante. Kwa majina mimi naitwa Kefa Mwenga, natoka katika conference ya Nyamira pale Mawawa Kisii station. Leo tumekuja hapa kuleta ile deni tulisema. Mmefurahia? Amagena omoske Walter chanua aliyete igaiga amagena 200 grades aikira mwagokire. Kwa hivyo kesho mnakula mayai. Iko pale. Na wararia etuataka ndo tuataka tokore etukorete sample ya magena make arore kanegaiga ayande aikiri westorogoro mo wancha boigo gakinto ikerion CP gaiga nto wekere yande storogoro aria. Ile kitu ningesema ya mwisho ni kwamba Dr. Walter Chanua is a leader mwenye anajua nguvu ya vijana na anajua kwamba hii group iko na Gen Z. Kwa hivyo akikuja kutengeneza serikali mtakuwa ndani na mseme kwamba Gen Z mmoja akwe kwa serikali kama waziri. Mmekubali?
Ayandi na agenda alistorogoro kolegereya
Ensi ya Kenya muske Daktari William Samoei Ruto ni gatebira asemero bire yaye yokogendera kwa gachense anene mono chipara na boigo chinyomba chirigorirense kendenge yo na onde tayo rache kumutange korwa kwa gacha chikanisa anene mono kusira chikanisa aseme chango na korwa chisadaka kokwa na korwa sekanisa ya AIPCA ogotoka kaunti ya Meru muske Ruto ni gatebire nigo arache koene kya korento sini garache kokonya koreto marembe na boigo obwa matobia imeyense ya Kenya asomo konyoye moske Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki nera tebete nigo ari maiga yo muraiwense na nigo arache kumosira kira asenga na bunenchira yamo yoko eneki ya magendro asense ya Kenya.
Na kanisa tutajenga. Si ndio? Kwani Bishop Mzuri alikuwa amesema nini hapa? Si amesema tutafute nini ya kukamilisha ile ama namna gani? So hiyo pia tutajenga na bidii, na tuombe ruhusa mtu, na hatuna ati tunaomba msamaha, hapana, tutajenga. Sasa mimi nauliza nyinyi, kwani tunaweza kujenga barabara? Ndio huyo mimi najenga sijui hostels, tunajenga markets, tunajenga affordable housing, hata state house mimi najenga, alafu tukose kujenga kanisa? Bana. No. Mimi kama kiongozi wa taifa hii, kwa mapenzi ya Mungu na kwa kura zenu, hii nchi nataka iwe ni nchi yenye iko na amani na iko na umoja. That is my mission. Na mimi naamini yule Mungu alitusaidia tukawa na amani na umoja, AIPCA atatusaidia tuwe na amani na umoja katika taifa letu la Kenya.
You keep on visiting many parts of Kenya, and we want to thank you, and as your deputy I want to promise you I will support you by implementing, following up and making sure that all of us rally behind you as the father of the nation, vile tumehubiriwa, ili tuhakikisha kwamba tumekusaidia, tumerahisisha mzigo ambao mnabeba wa kuongoza taifa letu la Kenya, ili Kenya
Ziri bobore ndi boime umuskono smaskip chuma murkomeni garura baseme kucha sabasae na kubabore babeke omokia na mono gwetoma anene mono chinga kichiri abare attachment na boigo internship unenchire ya moyo kwerigeria amabaga gukwana kurwa kureso south umoske kipchumba nigo abori abasae kwene kya chimbwa chingia na boigo tibachaya gasindi onsi bago korana besa chine chonsi chiri bakonyora asekera rituko.
Sometimes, and this is a message that should go to many young people, you just get one chance, your internship. One chance, your internship. And if you don't take that chance, your internship, you too, employer anataka kukuona. Wewe unakuja kazi saa 3, saa 6 huko social media, saa 10 umetoka kabla ya mwenye amekupatia internship. Na unasema in any case hata hii kitu hailipi vizuri. The day internship yako ikiisha, unasainiwa haraka, unaenda. Lakini because I have also run a law firm, you can get that one student anakuja anatakana saa 2 lakini anafika saa 12 asubuhi. Unamwambia aende saa 11 anakaa mpaka saa 1. Unamwambia afanye kazi 2 pages anafanya 5 pages. The day hata hakuna vacancy kwa hiyo kampuni, lazima vacancy itakuwa created. Kwa sababu huyo mtu anajituma beyond the ordinary. And I wanted to say this here because Emmanuel, and I say this because he's young and to motivate him, because he has gone beyond the ordinary, because he has put all his talent beyond the ordinary, it has fulfilled what the Bible says, that your talent will bring you before kings. And so some of us, sometimes watu wanauliza wanasema na hii mtu bure ametoka Embobut. Alifikaje akafika hapo? Community yake ni kidogo. Mtu tu hata baba yake hajulikani, hata sio sub chief. The difference between, it is not really so much your background that will matter. It is the content of your character. Ukijituma tu kidogo, it can make a difference in your life. So hii watu yote wameletwa na Emmanuel, mpaka regional, mpaka security team yote, mpaka hata huyu, unafikiria huyu county commissioner anajua Emmanuel? Sasa amesikia tu ni mtu anajuana na waziri akakuja hata yeye hapa. Na sasa kama Emmanuel angekuwa amefika hapo, all watu yote hawangekuja hapa kutoka mbali. What I want to encourage you, Emmanuel, endelea kutoka hapo, shika mkono ndugu zako. I know Bernard is senior to you.
Ziri umoja wa bakoreri wa serikali umusikije Fairuko ni gwacha kiremero moya bene kokwana ekero atarete egetuo kya abanyanyimbo kya Nairobi Central ruku ni gatebre gatemero buri ya serikali anemono ya abanyanyimbo nigo irache kobekwa asumutanda gusasenchira yekerero kuninchira yamo yo gukora obukurume nabo igo kwenekia obwasyo ku ase sector ya abanyanyimbo.
tutakuwa tunahakikisha all corners of the republic, in all sub-counties in the Republic of Kenya, where there is a police station, mwananchi wa kawaida anaweza hudumiwa pale. We have to ensure any service which the government of the Republic of Kenya is offering is efficient, is timely, and Kenyans feel that indeed they have a government which is taking care of their needs, taking care of their issues, and these are the instructions from His Excellency the President.
Honorable Kiringa has been the MP of Ibere North for the last decades, and we have seen his
Senator Mochore kuri kaunti ya Kisii gwetera ikiambekire kia UDA umoske umoswati ese okenyuri nigo amotire kiambekire gyo kubalika abari mugia TSC gose Teacher Service Commission ase okubwaterani wano bokurume okenyuri gokwana imeye Senate nigo amotire kiambekyo anene mono ase okubusaba aboro kia chibesa chinga kitira batagete kokiniwa ebirogo.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to begin by supporting the statement by Senator Onyonka on promotion for the just concluded exercise by TSC. Madam Speaker, when I use the words of Senator Cherargei, TSC is actually the headquarters of corruption, Madam Speaker. Notorious officials who I call rogue are actually soliciting for resources from very teachers who are already in a deplorable state, Madam Speaker, for them to get promoted. In the just concluded exercise, you have a teacher who has been in the service for over 17 years who didn't get promotion. But on the other hand, you have a teacher who has just joined service for just 1 year and they were promoted, Madam Speaker. How do you explain that, Madam Speaker? If I actually use the words of a trade unionist by the name Benjamin Burombo, who actually said, when I'm fighting for African rights, the other hand is busy keeping away Africans who are fighting me. Madam Speaker, I know corruption will always fight back, but this is not an issue we are going to relent about because teachers will largely accept that also they deserve some kind of support and well remuneration so that they also can have the motivation to keep doing the service they are offering to Kenyans, Madam Speaker. So I want to call out TSC and the officers in those offices.
Togo tigokorera omo Archbishop we diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria ni garura baseme ko cyasaba Kenya na kubaboria batige kubwaterani gose cinchiranchiroro barakore emechanda yabo nabo igo botaka batari gosemeria ose gusaba bokonyo korwa ase abana siasa gokwana cinga kibare kwariganea omo yega o Easter oyo chageteri tukoria igoro ni go Muheria ate aborira abakenya bonse kopeko mukya ase kire bakora na kuboria abana siasa
The Kenya we desire, we know we can hope for it. And it doesn't matter, it won't be determined by our political leadership, it won't be determined by what we may wish academia, to be determined by each one of us who takes the hope and works the hope where he is. Let us not let our hope be taken from us. Kenyans, there is hope of a great country. They can take anything from us, but never take away.
Na tukiondoa haya mambo yanahusika na corruption, nchi yetu ya Kenya itaweza kunawili, si hata wakati huu, hata wakati wa siku za usoni.
Dear Kenyans, wash the pool that is around you. Wash the place that is next to your place. Rid yourself of corruption. Rid yourself of bad things.
Yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo banya korendo mwancho murengo nyeruna kero bwate app ya Getembe yekerero eyo imanyikene na Getembe digital app yoko genda igari a Google Store gose App Store gose Play Store onyare ko ye download ni igora nyare ko bwatia imero buri yonsi ya Getembe TV ko chakira mangana maya gose Ekeonga chigosori chonsi umuburera nyanchama isiko yabisi nemerobero yonsi ekogotera asembe nigura nyare kuyonyora ase airplay yekerero genda Presto nyare go download airplay na nigo ere nyaroro kegima kuyetumeka Getembe digital app nabo obwororo nabo igo obwanso obwamayetumurane ase Ekeonga Chinsa komitenga treni Nyaboga Wilson Makori kuraso mona kuri manyere Kevin Ongeri nero genda tokone kemuna chibichechiga na Mario Gingo kirachira asenchira yobo kirano genda gutwara burigiri borobia
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo teberie kende gensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi Proval net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na Isano na Isato babwate tile Provels alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyegitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yego tumeka chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esu